Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here the very iconic Gundam, which was aired here in the Philippines during the 90s, I think. I was a grade 4 student back then, and I was in elementary or grade school level. So that was my grade 4 years when this series was aired in the Philippine television after the Gundam Wing series. So I know you already know what I'm talking about. So I will introduce you now to the God Gundam or the G Gundam Hypermode. This one. Yep. So I was choosing between the Hypermode and the normal version of this because the normal version was released 2002 and this one was released 2003. But based on the reviews, they have the same level of articulation, and there are screws on both kits. But I was about to choose the original, but then this MJH model from MJH model was released this high resolution Gundam. So I was happy because I will not buy that crappy 2002 model from Bandai. So I will buy that MJH, and I'm just waiting for it to arrive. So instead of buying the original 2002 release, I bought this 2003 release Hypermode. I will have that MJH high-res model paired with this Hypermode God Gundam. So now let's do this God Gundam by Tomokazu, and let's say God Finger. So the box here shows the classical design of the God Gundam from 2003, released by Bandai, and in the original model of this, there is Tomokazu here on this area wielding the Sekiha Tenkyoken attack, but here it's only the Hypermode Gundam, the God Gundam Hypermode version. So on the side of the box, we can see some various poses of the Gundam, like cross arm pose, kneeling pose, God finger pose, and beam katana blocking pose. And the other side of the box, we can see the front view and rear view of the kit, the action frame, but sad to say this action frame has screws, which is a turn off for me because as much as possible I want my kit to be all plastic, but I'll try not to apply that screws. Let's see if it will be effective or it will have a negative effect on the articulation. Let's see, and I will add that to my review. So here you can see the God Gundam fighting the Hypermode Master Gundam, and there's the Score Lander here, gold color, the crest here, King of Hearts crest, and some opening hatches in the legs, and this Tomokazu small figure burning style. So if we open the box, we can see a classical posterized carton here of the God Gundam. See, very classic. I'll put this on my wall. After that, you will see the instruction manual, and it will say G Gundam Hypermode here, and the crest of King of Hearts, and the Sekiaten Kyoken pose of the God Gundam here. And you will see the runners, sets of runners. It's not that much. Maybe I can finish this in 2 hours. Then this how to assemble the kit. And the fighting action poses here. Same in the box art. Aside from this crowd like crane pose and the high kick pose. It's not included outside the box. Then some story here, but it's all Japanese. Corlander, Beam Sword, Dom Cashew, something like that. And the rear view of the mobile suit itself. So the parts, there's this Domon Cashew figure here, but I will not bother myself to build this because I hate figures like this. Maybe I'll throw this or keep it somewhere else. Then there's this God finger hands, the iconic God finger hands, beam saber effect, and the gold runners here. First set, second set of gold runners, everything in gold. There's this crest of the King of Hearts chest piece, gold runners, and gold inner frame. And there are screws here. Too much screws included in the kit. And some how to assemble the kit for beginners. So the usual, we'll have a quick review on the runners before I do the kit. So these are all shiny gold color here, but sad to say these are not undergated. These are not undergated, so be careful when cutting the gates, the runners, because it might scratch the gold plating spray of this when you are not careful on cutting the edges there. So we have here runner F, gold colored runners, runner F again, two runner F gold colored runners. We have here runner D, gold again, and runner B, gold color again. This one is a yellow ABS plastic here. This is runner G, gold ABS here. And I noticed that the color of this runner same like my gold ring from Saudi Arabia. My 21 karat gold from Saudi Arabia. Then you have here Godfinger orange effect clear parts. We have this crappy Domon Cashew here. I will not mind or bother myself to assemble this. I'll just throw this or keep it somewhere else. We have here green beam saber effect. And for the eyes and the canopy of the Corlander here. We have a spare V-fin here made out of rubber. We have here gates for inner frames, gold colored plastics here. We have bullshit sticker. I don't know why Bandai include this sticker, because in the hyper mode level of Gundam, the decals will be removed because the Gundam will be on all gold effect. But I don't know why they put this sticker. Maybe for the Gundam normal mode. I'll just throw this or use only the eye camera, eye stickers and the camera pieces. Yeah, stickers. Polycaps, the usual master grades of early 2000 and the 90s. We have rubbery parts here for the sole of the foot, hand parts, rubbers, rubbers, and the pink sticker crest of the King of Hearts. There's nothing here aside from it is shiny. No King of Hearts crest inside, only shiny pink. And the crappy tons of screws and nuts. Maybe I will I'll try not to use this, and I'll update you if there will be a negative effect on the kit if I don't use these crappy screws. Okay, let's do this. Godfinger.